Hey guys, how are y'all? It's that time of year when we need to do what? Support our respiratory systems. And you know what I'm doing to support mine? I am using from the Premium Starter Kit RC. I diffuse it at home and it is wonderful. I love it in my home diffuser, in my dewdrop, and in my rainstone. Guess what? Amber diffuses for children.
I use Ravintsara mostly, but there's also one from the Kids Sense collection called Sniffle Ease that I like to use. It's always important to read the labels to make sure that it is of appropriate age, because some of them do say over 2 to use. Another wonderful resource to use with children knowing which oils are best for them is one by WRight called Gentle Babies. So always do research before using oils around small children.
Definitely. Be aware. Be careful. We want to take care of our children.
Yeah, but there's wonderful things out there, so don't be afraid. Just research.
And if we can help you in any way, message us. We'll be glad to tell you what we know, and we'll be glad to tell you what we don't know. So, y'all take care. Bye-bye.